Formal ng mibuklat nga Duangaldong International Conference on Kapampangan Cuisine and Food Tourism kang Holy Angel University ngening Huwebes, March 21. Inorganisa na itining Center for Kapampangan Studies king pamanimuna ning karelang Executive Director ay Robbie Tantingco. Peka highlight ng conference ng presentasyon da may yaliwang lecture at research di king kulinaryang Kapampangan. Inya naman da may yaliwang Kapampangan chef, bistaman na tinalang lagyo karas king food industry, tinagon labang makiramdam at lakos pa kanong mabiyasa, kalupa ng Chef Vince Garcia as CEO ning Chef Vince Garcia Culinary Groups.
I think it's about time for us to have this kind of conference, and it's for our next generations like us, aspiring entrepreneur, restaurateur, and of course, Akasa Kapampangan. I'm excited to learn about this conference or anything that I can gather information from this conference.
At siya naman ni Chef Manuel at Cherry Pasyontan, uling makasawp ya kano kaya ini lakwas Kapampangan food ing specialty dareng kayang restaurant.
Importante ini kasi lumawak ko kay Baluan. Nung nano talagang penibatan, ning pamangan, nung makanano kang ikwento, kareng magbisita ka na ako. Especially to students coming from other places.
Interesado yan naman kanu is Chef Bong Sagmit at Chef Howard Dizon kareng lectures uling burida lang mas i-explore o panigaralan pa in Kapampangan cuisine.
Para siguro po balo kayo talaga yung pagsimulan na ng pamanganta mo, kultura.
Since the first conference for Kapampangan Cuisine, so excited kami nga kasi balo dakal kami balo na para king pamanganta mo. At the same time, matapabalo tamo rin karengalwan tao kining probinsya no mga nanoy ka hulaga kaya katamo yung kay yung pamanganta mo.
Metong naman kareng mamia lecture at mag-present king kayang study ing kabalan na chairperson ng College of International Tourism and Hospitality Management ng Lyceum University ay Chef Heinz Palayo.
Ing research ay ni patungkol yaking pamangan Kapampangan at makanano ya mag-bring up satisfaction kareng turista at nung mag-bring up yung destination loyalty being Pampanga being a the food capital of the Philippines. So importante ay ni uling makapaghikayat ya ini kareng turista, alalong munta kay Pampangan not only for its food but also because of the different scenes and sites at Bintamo, Katamong probinsya.
Samantala, aparte ka rin presentations, atin mo namang food and trade fair, art exhibit, ang pang-cooking demonstration kilub ni nga Duangaldong komperensya. Kaya bay Jenna Lumbang Parungaw, ako po yung kakayong Talasuyo, Arlen Salonga, ating pusong makabalen.